Come here. Come here. Second part of the shipment from Hot Topic is in. But first, the outfit. The outfit. I know I said I was gonna style each piece individually, but this ate, honey. This ate down. Hold on. Little fit check. Hold on. Don't look behind the curtain. Very cutesy. I lost an earring at the mall. You're joking. You're joking. Oh, at least the outfit ate. I didn't put the back in that earring, so that's my fault. But let's get into it. All right. Let's get into it. Oh my god. Not nail friendly. Right. Okay, I don't want to get that. Okay. This one's mainly accessories. This part of the shipment. Let's see what we got. Oh my god, it's bigger than I thought. Okay, hold on. I have to open it. Wait. Look how cute she is. Not down. She's so cute. Did not realize it was gonna be that big. That's a plus. Next one, let's see. My earrings. I low-key wasn't gonna wear earrings with this outfit because I was gonna wear some from here. I totally forgot. But look at her. Hold on. Ooh. These would actually go so hard with this right now. Okay, at the end of the video, I'm gonna put that on. Okay. And then this. This is our rings. This is our rings. So adorable. Little midi rings. Size 7. The little snail. She's so cute. It matches with my nails. Yes. Let me get the rest out of the bag. And another one. Yes, thank you. Okay, last 2 items in this one. The crybaby necklace. I'm a crybaby. I don't even know. I'm a crybaby. And then, oh yes, the shirt. I forgot. God, chaotic. Honey, you're gonna hear me coming. You're gonna hear me coming. I could even put this over this. Hold on. I'm gonna come back with everything on, I think, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, we're back. They're so cutesy. And then, oh, she's a little backwards. The crybaby, and I said it right. It would go perfect on top of this. Yes, and I don't know why I felt like adding this in here, but I could easily just, anyway, on a bag. It doesn't matter. But I'm not down. You know what I mean? Okay. And bye. Bye. That is the end of the show. Until next time. And yes, even though oh my god, sorry. Totally did not even show the earrings. How dare I? These low-key hurt going in. I don't know why. Anyways, the ADHD. But yes, as I was saying, just because I wore these together doesn't mean I'm not still gonna do a video with them and other stuff I own in there. So, yeah, look forward to that. Maybe. Have a good night or day.